here in Sirocco. So now I'm showing you the salads, some veggies, the drinks, the pastas and the biryani, nachos, rice, veggies, cooked veggies, the spaghetti, the pastas, the potato, the tomato sauce, here are the different food items here available. Corn on cob, nachos, buns with cheese on top, some sliced fruits, other ingredients for the salads, so now we'll be trying the spaghetti. It is Italian style with tomato sauce. It's good. The noodles is cooked al dente. Eggplant is still crunchy. And it's a little bit bland, but it's okay. The farfalle pasta, it's cooked al dente. It's also bland, but not much flavor in it. Chicken was soft and moist, but also not so flavorful. The broccoli is still crunchy. I think it's just boiled broccoli. The potatoes were soft and flavorful, but it's also spicy. The biryani rice was tasty. Mashed potatoes were also good. The nachos was still crispy, crunchy. Grilled chicken was soft and flavorful. Vegetables were all fresh. It's all crunchy, and it's also good. Corn on cob, I didn't like it, but I had to try it again to make sure about the taste. And I still didn't like it. The dinner roll is good. It's soft in the inside and there's cheese on top. The dessert was good. That was the pudding. So this is my dessert plate. Sliced fruits, fresh fruits to cleanse my palate. So this custard was firm and it's not so sweet. Pudding. So the pudding was still warm. The cake was dry and it's not so good. It's sweet and sour. The gelatin was so good. So the vanilla cream with fruits and a lot of different, it has a lot of different textures from the gelatin, the fruits, and the cream. Nice fruits to lessen the sweetness of the other desserts and also to cleanse my palate. The watermelon is so refreshing. I really like to eat fruits to cleanse my palate from all the flavors that I have eaten. So I hope you like our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do comment on what you want me to try next. And I will try to do it for you and also make a shout out for your suggestion. So until our next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye.